Have you seen those simple stickman animation channels that get millions of views? They don't use expensive cameras. They don't have fancy studios. They just tell stories with stick figures. And they're making serious money. So I asked myself, what if I could build a system that creates these videos in minutes, not weeks? What if I could go from a single idea to a finished animation without jumping between 5 different tools? That's exactly what I did. And today I'm showing you the entire process. Here's the thing. Most creators spend hours on the wrong things. They obsess over editing, color grading, and sound effects. But they forget the most important part, the story. A good story with simple visuals will always beat a bad story with Hollywood-level animation. So I built a workflow that focuses on storytelling first, visuals second. And the best part? It's repeatable. You can use it for any topic. First, I gave my AI assistant a single job. Be my production director. Not just a writer. Not just a researcher. A complete production director that understands the entire process from start to finish. I told it the topic, why procrastination destroys your life. Before generating anything, the AI spent time understanding the objective. Who is the audience? What emotion are we targeting? What should the viewer feel at the end? Most people skip this. They rush to create. But planning first always leads to better results. Next, the AI wrote a voiceover script. Short sentences, clear ideas, easy to follow. For a stickman animation, this is crucial. You can't have long, complex sentences because the visuals need to keep up with the narration. Then came the storyboard. For every single sentence in the script, the AI decided what the stickman should be doing, what emotion to show, and how one scene should transition to the next. This is where the magic happens. You're not guessing anymore. You have a complete visual plan. Now the fun part, generating the actual media. Using AI image generation, we created stickman illustrations for every scene. Same character, same style, same proportions throughout the entire video. This is important because consistency makes a video look professional. Then we animated those images. Subtle movements. Nothing dramatic, just enough to make the story feel alive. At this point, we had the script, the storyboard, the images, and the animated clips. Everything was organized and ready. The only thing left was putting it all together in a video editor. I imported the files, dropped them into the timeline, lined up each scene with the voiceover, added a few simple transitions, and exported the final video. The entire process, from idea to finished video, took a few hours, not weeks, not days, hours. And the result? A simple, engaging animation that tells a powerful story about why we procrastinate and how to fix it. Here's the real takeaway. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need animation skills. You don't need a team. You just need a clear process and the right tools. If you want to build this workflow for yourself, I've linked everything you need in the description. Now go create something amazing, and I'll see you in the next one.